Here are the top 5 entertainment headlines for the week of December 16th, 2024. From cast and crew, here's your Friday 5cast. At number 1, production abroad. UK film crews and facilities are gearing up for a busy 2025, with several major US studio productions heading to the country. New projects like Masters of the Universe and Supergirl World of Tomorrow are set to film in the UK, driving a notable rise in 2024 production spending. At number 2, preserving film. Dirty Dancing and Star Trek II: The Wrath of Khan are among 25 films added to the National Film Registry in 2024. Spanning decades and genres, the selections reflect efforts to preserve iconic films, with public input shaping this year's picks. Next at number 3, a Californian production coalition. The Motion Picture Association has formed a group advocating reforms to California's film incentives program, citing its limitations compared to other states. The group calls for updates to its structure, increased flexibility, and better support for larger projects. On to number 4, who's watching TV? The UCLA Hollywood Diversity Report shows that while classic shows with white male leads dominate streaming viewership, newer, diverse series are increasingly popular with women and BIPOC audiences. Finally, at number 5, no more hidden fees. A new Federal Trade Commission rule taking effect in April will require ticketing agencies, hotels, and vacation rentals to disclose all costs up front. Aimed at ensuring transparency, the rule is expected to save consumers $11 billion over the next decade. As always, get full access to these stories on our blog. Take 5 with the Friday 5cast from Cast and Crew.